Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how I used cutting-edge AI tools to make over $1,000 a day, and how you can too. As a content creator, I'm always looking for new and innovative ways to come up with new ideas for my stories. That's why I started using OpenAI's chatgpt and midjourney AI to generate unique and engaging stories. With chatgpt, I was able to generate a wide variety of stories, from science fiction to romance, and everything in between. And with midjourney AI, I was able to fine-tune the stories to make them even more appealing to my audience. The process was simple. I would input a few basic details about the story I wanted to create, and the AI tools would generate a full-fledged story in just minutes. I was able to publish these stories on my blog, and within days, I was seeing an influx of traffic and revenue. In just a few weeks, I was able to scale my revenue to over $1,000 a day, all thanks to the power of AI. And the best part is, anyone can do this. Whether you're a writer, a content creator, or just someone looking to make a passive income, AI tools like chatgpt and midjourney AI can help you generate high-quality content in no time. So if you're ready to take your content creation to the next level, give these AI tools a try. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. These are few step-by-step guide how to make money online. Step 1. Research your audience before you start generating stories. It's important to understand your target audience. What kind of stories do they like to read? What are their pain points and desires? This information will help you tailor your stories to meet their needs and preferences. Step 2. Use chatgpt to generate stories. Once you have a good understanding of your audience, it's time to start generating stories. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge AI tool that can generate high-quality stories in a matter of minutes. Simply input a few details about the story you want to create, and ChatGPT will do the rest. Step 3. Fine-tune the stories with midjourney AI. Once you have a rough draft of your story, it's time to fine-tune it to make it even more appealing to your audience. Midjourney AI is a powerful AI tool that can help you optimize your stories for maximum impact. Simply input your story and let midjourney AI analyze it, giving you suggestions on how to improve the flow, pacing, and overall structure of your story. Step 4. Publish and promote your stories. Now that you have a polished, high-quality story, it's time to publish it and start promoting it to your audience. You can publish your stories on your blog, social media, or anywhere else your audience spends time. Make sure to promote your stories through paid advertising, social media, and other channels to drive traffic and maximize revenue. Step 5. Scale your revenue. As you continue to publish and promote high-quality stories, you'll start to see a steady stream of traffic and revenue. Over time, you can scale your revenue even further by increasing your output of stories and fine-tuning your promotion strategies. In conclusion, using ChatGPT and midjourney AI to generate stories is a powerful and efficient way to create high-quality content and earn a passive income. So if you're ready to start making money with your stories, give these AI tools a try today. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.